Hello there and welcome to my channel and thanks very much for joining me here today. In today's video, I'm going to share how to make sage tea, which is one of the most powerful natural remedies. I try to make my lifestyle more sustainable and harmonious with nature for Earth's ecosystem and to seek a healthy way of living. I want to live so that I bring about less harm to Earth's wildlife, which is very important to all the living creatures on this planet. As I practice this way of living, I found a lot of benefits from nature, which comforts me and provides healing. I started gardening several years ago as a very beginner, but now I know the pleasure of the harvest and always see wonders of nature in my garden. I like to plant veggies between the flowers. It looks better when they growing together harmoniously. I planted very young sage 6 years ago. Now it gives abundant leaves and flowers every year, as you can see. I'm collecting some herbs to make a nice and relaxing herbal tea. I love to drink sage tea because of its health benefits and it also helps de-stressing. The bees, butterflies, and lightning bugs are essential to this ecosystem, but they are gradually reducing in numbers. So I plant the flowers in my garden to bring them back. I love herbal tea because I don't need to worry about caffeine and it has powerful health benefits, and of course made with homegrown herbs are the best herbal tea. This is how I enjoy sage tea at home. And here are the steps for making homemade sage tea. A handful sage leaves for 2 to 3 cups. Cut leaves into pieces. And then pour boiling water over the leaves in teapot. Let's pour to make leaves jumping in the pot to get better taste. Let's steep for about 5 to 7 minutes. And pour in cup, that's it. You can also add lemon and honey if you want. I collected a few flowers to bring some color to my tea table. And drinking sage tea at this end of the day calms the mind and boosts your mood with the effects of aromatherapy. I hope you enjoyed my video and I will see you next time. Bye bye.